Good morning, good morning. So, ooh, look. Ooh, she looks so good. Ooh, you look good. Y'all know the red eye gone. Anyway, taking the beast out today. My family over at Seatbelt Planet. Seatbelt Planet. We got some goodies in here, and we finna have them installed. Oh, so that's what we finna go do. Finna go pull up at CP Auto Styles and get right. Ooh. I love this truck already, I'm telling you. I love it, I love it, I love it. Ooh, yes, sir. All right, let's go.
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
I seen some photos. I ain't opened up the box yet, but I seen some photos. That's a little tight fit. Hold on. We got something for that. Alright, come on with it. I seen some photos, but I ain't opened up the box yet, you know? So look at that. Tell me what's going on. That's what you call reassurance right there. Yeah, I ain't opened up the box yet, but I already know they got me right. So we're just pulling up to my boy CP Auto Styles, and a guy finna get me right with this install, man. Smooth, little chill, little quick little install, man. So let me park and let me get with y'all.
Turn it one to the left. There you go. You going? Right there is good.
You gonna be able to get to both of those?
Go back a little further.
You gonna be able to get to both those?
Say it again.
You gonna be able to get to both those?
Oh yeah. I'm about to take care of both of these.
Got that yeah.
Yeah. We almost took me out the beer.
Look, yeah, that's you. Right there?
Keep going. There you go, that should be straight.
How you gonna get to the back door?
Oh, plenty of room back here.
Alright. Couch ass nigga.
Laying with me. Yes, sir. Vlogging today, what's up?
Yeah, we vlogging today, man. Man, go ahead, give yourself a shout out, man.
Sean Dedicated Club.
Boom.
We do nothing but quality over here. Just to let y'all know. Stay tuned for the vlog. It's about to go up.
And then install these belts, man. Shout out. No, you gotta pull it out, gang. We gotta show the people. Come on, man.
Let me get my blade real quick.
Ooh wee. Shout out to CP Auto Styles. Y'all ain't really like same.
See what kind of belts we got in here.
Big reveal, you hear me?
So my guy came through probably like Wednesday, Thursday, talking about he want to get some new seats in.
Yup.
New seat belts, I mean. Tell me why he's been driving around 3, 4, 5 days with no seatbelt.
No seatbelt. And I told him that earlier too. I'm like, man, I ain't had no seatbelts on, gang.
Ask him how many tickets he got. We ain't gonna tell y'all. But we got the red belts. Check it out. Look at the drip on these. Oof.
See them perfect because it ain't too bright and it ain't too dark.
It's right in the middle.
It's right in the middle.
It's right in the middle.
Where I like to be.
Where I like to be.
So these are the old ones right here. So basically, all they did was reweave them, I believe.
Oh, really?
No, not even. I think they just copied like the sizing or something.
You know damn well they kept your stock ones and gave
And
you
check
some-
this out. Ooh, I forgot. So
Oh, got a
he
yellow.
said he was gonna send me a yellow or 2 different yellows to see what I like for the track
Sample.
hole.
This one for sure.
Nah, this one.
The bright one?
Yeah. You think this? That's like more like an orange.
Okay. Tell me what y'all think in the comments.
Go ahead.
Bright yellow, dark yellow.
You know what? Yeah.
Telling you the dark
We're
yellow
gonna-
match the calipers. You know what I'm saying?
So now we gotta get the hog up here and take the hog belts out
That part.
and send them in. There you go. That's another mod for y'all. Boo. So what else we got in the bag?
So we got a box right here. Let's see what we got in it. More seatbelts.
More seatbelts. So that's
these
what,
ones
1, 2?
Front. Yeah, I think these are front right here.
Oh, okay.
Need the rears.
So what the hell is in the other box?
Oh, they come one in each box. So that one came with
Oh, I got you. I got you. I got you. All right. For sure. Well, let's do it.
two. Do it.
Look, I'm gonna put my boy Instagram right here on the screen.
Oh yeah. I don't know.
And what else you do? You do wraps,
Do wraps. We do suspension work. Like I got the Mercedes.
lighting,
on the ground.
LEDs.
Static life.
This is right
No
here.
bags. Let them know we rolling like that.
You said no bags?
No bags.
Oh, no bags.
We rolling like that. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
Let 'em know.
He said no bags. Look at the motherfucking wheels.
Hey, we going to a show this weekend, and I know you don't want to drive that thing. I didn't put that shit on your trailer.
For real?
That
What you
shit
trying to
was
say?
hard.
What you trying to say?
We might have to connect Saturday.
What's next? Is next Saturday?
No, this Saturday.
Oh, it's this
Oh, but
Saturday.
you gotta go do your football.
Wait. Yeah. What did the show at?
It's in Arcadia. It's like a stand show. It's a crewman show. That's the name of it. So a bunch of cars like this, VIP style, is all gonna be going out there.
You know what? I would say yeah, but I ain't even got no wraps from the trailer yet,
That part.
so I couldn't even get no Hellcat up there yet or the track hole.
That part.
You know what I'm
Look
saying?
at the trailer wrap.
I know, man. No, I'm talking about the ramp, not the wrap.
Oh, the rim?
Yeah, I ain't got no ramp yet. Let me know how much y'all like this camera though. Get in here for y'all.
All right, so what we got going on right here? We installing the seatbelts for the driver's side. Just in case y'all ever want to install your seatbelts, let me show y'all something over here. What we discovered is, if you get new seatbelts, most likely you're gonna think, oh, they messed up installing it on lock. Nah, they didn't mess up. You gotta keep the belt straight. It's a
Yup.
safety feature. Then it will let you slide out.
Yup.
Sideways, lock, straight.
And I told you that, nigga.
He told me that. Research. Do your research.
Did I say it like this? Or did I say move your fucking car?
What are you talking about?
You cabron.
Man, I don't know
know
what
what
that
he's
be talking
talking
about.
Why did you remove my couches?
Man, those my couches.
No, I can't sleep there anymore, man.
Man.
What the fuck, man?
I kicked you out yesterday. Man, I be telling you. Hey, bitch, we got going on.
Oh, yeah.
Cocoa post or something. Look at here. Make sure we screw in the top so y'all get the concept. Something like that. And then the rears go down here so you can stay right there. The rears go all the way down here. First. Got it.
I'm loving these reds. I ain't gonna lie to
Yeah,
you.
this red look real good. Make sure you latch your seatbelts. You got places.
Latch that in right there.
Put it in right there. Oh, we need the black one. Black one right here. Black.
And keep all y'all pieces with each
all
other.
your pieces together, please. Can't be putting your seatbelt in with only one bolt. Take 3. Y'all gonna wonder why y'all flying out the window.
Right. And if y'all can't do this, man, I recommend y'all just go to somebody that can. That way, everything they do, they remember how they did it and where it's at and all the pieces is at.
Yeah, part.
That way you be good.
Yeah, boy.
This red is crazy. Like, for real, folks. I'm loving this red.
Red is perfect. That's all I gotta say.
You know?
That's all I gotta say. Careful for boxes behind.
It's perfect, man.
This how this being. Just got a few more boltings.
You just gotta bolt that down right there.
Hold that down.
Boom. And that's really it.
That's really it right there. There right
Put the
there.
cover on it. Clean all this back up. You be good.
Little 10 mil right there.
How long you been doing this for, Sean?
Building cars personally, probably
Yeah.
like 4 years probably.
3-4 years?
Yep.
What made you get into cars?
What got me started was my dad. My dad was in Volkswagens.
Right.
Building Beetles, old 65. He had one. And we used to always go to car shows and stuff in it. You know, ever since then, I just wanted to start. Always wanted my own. So
Yeah.
eventually I got old enough to start getting cars. And then I got my first Volkswagen probably when I was 17, 18. And then I was building it from there. And eventually I just had all the cars I ended up liking. And then so far I've had probably like six cars that I've liked so far.
Right. Now, is this one your favorite? The Benz?
This was one of my most recent ones. There was actually a game I ended up downloading.
Uh-huh.
And I saw this car on there and I was like, I think I want to build this one.
For real?
Yeah, so
So you
I
said,
ended up
fuck it.
selling all my cars and I found the perfect one to start building and it came out exactly how I wanted it.
That's dope. And tell them how old you is.
You know what I'm saying? I'm only 24 now, but
Only
by the time I had my
24.
first car, I was 18.
Yeah, only 24. That's what I'm talking about, man. See, y'all just gotta go get it.
Y'all need to have a goal.
The man said he sold all his cars to go buy this one car and build this one car. And he wrapped it himself. That's a wrap. That ain't no paint. He wrapped it himself. For sure, man. That's how it's supposed to go, though. That's how you're supposed to do it, man.
That's how it's got to be done.
You know?
It's got to be done properly. You can't be sidestepping. You can't. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Okay, slow ass.
Keep it right.
All right. Hey, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I'm loving this red. It just popped. Yeah. Yeah, this that yeah. This that yeah. I mean, look what they do. They just... Man, look, shout out to Look, man. Seatbelt Planet, man. Stop playing, man. Look, reach out to my guys, Seatbelt Planet, and get your seatbelts done, man. From the packaging to the materials to the dip they paint. Look at this. You see this? They didn't have to do this. This is paint on top of the already chrome. Look, man, reach out to them. I might have a code for y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know when I post these on my Instagram. If you ain't got me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram right now, right here. Boop. Godspeed or Godspeeds. And I'm gonna post Seatbelt Planet. And y'all get y'all right, man. Get yourself right, man. Invest in your car, man. Please, look, just invest in your car, man. This what the car come with. This what $100,000 truck come with. And it's like, come on, man. Come on, man. It's trash. You know? And we finna get the the Jeep Trackhawk right. Jeep Trackhawk finna have yellow ones. Come on, man. And I'm doing that ASAP. We're gonna do that ASAP. Yeah, we're gonna do that ASAP. We're gonna do this one ASAP. The Jeep Trackhawk ones. I like that yellow. We got a Supra over here. Decent. You already got some nittos on the rear. Okay. These things so light. I reached one on the highway. It was fun, man. I beat his ass, but it was fun. Got the LEDs and everything on here, huh? Carbon fiber. Okay, super nice. It's smooth. Oh, they got the carbon fiber mirrors too. Alright, shorty. You got it, gang?
Yup.
You sure?
Everything's already almost installed.
You was struggling, bro.
Hell no. Just gotta remember where the plastic goes.
Where the plastic go?
Where the plastic go? Ain't nothing else but a chicken wing and a Jeep thing.
That red.
Red.
That
Pussy.
red. Ooh. Ooh.
I need a
Blood. So now we just getting everything buckled down for real, for real. Got that red in there, that red. Got that yeah. Man, shout out to Seatbelt Planet. My boy Neil got me right. And these is ruby red. He can do whatever color for you. Like I told y'all earlier, he can do whatever color for you. You can put your logo on it, whatever logo you want on there. And if you want the overnight shipping, he can do that too. So in and out, he gonna get you right, I promise you. I'm gonna put his info right here again and in the description below with the link. And y'all can get these done, man. We did the rear too. The front and the rear. Let's see, plug this up. Boom. Look at that. I didn't do this middle one right here because this ain't nobody gonna be right here. And if they is, I mean, come on, man. Ain't nobody gonna put no seatbelt on right here. Let's just keep it real. So I didn't care for doing that one. I only wanted the outsides done.
update. We installed the premium quality red racing seatbelts to give it a little bit more pop on the interior.
Give it a bit of yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Nice and crisp. Installed with ease. Didn't take much time.
Smooth.
Simple.
They look good too.
Tap in with us on the channel, Godspeed.
You know?
If you want more of this quality work like this truck is gonna transform everything. We're gonna do real entire. I ain't gonna tell you. I ain't gonna tease you what's going on.
You hear me?
Stay tuned.
You hear me?
That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say.